Good programs train exercises, but great programs rebuild and builds up your foundational patterns. Hey there guys, Jason DePaoli here from the Edge Strength and Conditioning, and welcome back to one of my videos. Now when I say good programs train exercises, that's really good, but great programs train movement patterns to be able to rebuild your body and get that foundational strength for improve your life all the time. Now, if you aren't training all 6 foundational movement patterns, you're really leaving your results to chance. Now, what I mean by that is all these foundational movement patterns, there are 6 in total, you should be doing these in all of your exercises. Especially as we get older, we tend to sort of forget about some of these movement patterns. We all think about doing bicep curls and all that in isolation and just working one muscle group, but you have to do all of these muscle groups really to get stronger and for a better quality of life. And these 6 are, and I've gone through them many times in other videos, is the squat, the hinge, a lunge pattern, a push and a pull, and a carry. Those 6 are the foundations, those are the fundamentals for any great workout program that you should do. Now, most of my programs I do with my clients have most of those 6 foundational movement patterns in my workouts. It is the core to what I do. I know it works. I've been doing this for the last 20 years. When I first became a personal trainer, none of this was really known. I was just basically doing what everyone else was doing, like a bodybuilder splits, and I'm thinking, right, this is not working for my clients. But as I educated myself and did a lot more courses and just got my knowledge much more better, I found out that these 6 foundational movement patterns work with everyone, no matter if you're fat or thin, or your goals is to run a marathon or action sports conditioning. You can do these foundational movement patterns into your programming, and that's what I say. It's a great program to do when you've got all these 6 in programming. You don't have to do them in every single workout. You could be split over a couple days, but if you can do this and get these foundational movements stuck and get them done, you just don't know where you will go. Your results will skyrocket. And if you want to go for a goal of weight loss, it's these foundational 6 movements. If you want to do muscle gain, again, these foundational movement patterns are going to help. If you want to do power gain, same thing. It all works into one. So this is why I want to do it. I do the Be Stronger After 40 programs for my older clients. I like training the older adult because this works for them. So if you're in your 40s, 50s and 60s, and even if you're in your middle life coming up to sort of like 35, 40, it will happen because it will be better for you as you get older. So there we go. So I hope you like this video. Ranted on a little bit, but if you like this video, please like and share. Please get me on Instagram, follow me on Instagram, be most appreciated. I'd like to get some more followers on that. But if you do like the way I'm talking and the way I'm coaching, there's lots of videos on YouTube, over 400. If you like the way I coach and you see me in the gym, please do not hesitate to get in touch. I'll be more than happy to help you. Just shoot me an email or a message. I'll get right back to you with any inquiries. I know I can help you with your strength training and getting your fundamental movement patterns done so you can get fitter, stronger, and have a better quality of life. So there we go. I'm Jason DePaoli from the Edge Strength and Conditioning. Thank you for watching this video, and I shall see you on another video coming real soon.